Max Your Journey Tribe RV community, welcome back. My name is Alvin. In today's video, as you already probably know, how much room do you actually have in your travel trailer when you bring your slides in? Now this is going to depend on your model, but I'm just going to give you a look at how big the space is, how small the space is, because we all know when you go to the RV dealerships, a lot of them don't have power turned on to those units, so you don't really have an idea of how much room you would actually have, whether they're out or in. So I'm gonna help you in this video right now. Stay tuned, let's get into it. So guys, right here, as you see, this is the slide actually out, okay? So you have this here is your mega slide. This is not a half slide, this is a full slide. It goes from there all the way to this and it comes in. Now I'm gonna show you what it looks like when we bring it in and how much space you'll have to operate if you're on the road with your slide in. So here we go. If you're new, you're going to look at your slide in button, which is right here, family. Let's push it. All right. As you see, that space down there is getting smaller and smaller. How close do you think they planned on this? Let's check it out. Would you be able to get to the bedroom? No, not without bringing your slide back out. And you see that right there? Yes, that would be 1 inch of error, guys. So if you forget anything in those slides, so look where I'm at. I'm going to step back, guys. Let you see. This is where I'm currently at. So I am currently trapped. If I was a little bit bigger, I can slide through here a little bit. If you're wondering, here's my bathroom. So I'll show you here. So me sliding through, I probably still can use the bathroom along with some kids. Depends on your size. I'm a pretty tall guy, not really a bigger guy. But you can get to your kitchen still, right here. You'll still be able to open those doors all the way up. As well as your freezer if you need a snack, a quick lunch break while on the road. But you will not be able to get back here unless you pull it out in a parking lot, guys. So again, let's pull the slide back out so you can actually see the space when you're at the campground or at the RV dealership. This is what you're getting. So this is in right now. That's your gap to go back there to the bathroom. And this is our button again. If you're new to the RV life, you push slide out right here. Let's get it. And we'll watch that space grow. As you see, it's getting bigger. And it's almost like a magic box, guys. It just keeps going. And it's actually very, very spacious in here. So, as you see here, now you get all your room. Now you get your fully function to your bedroom, to your bathroom. Door can come wide open, guys, as well as your recliners can pop out. This is what you're going to see when you go to the dealership far as space. Now, you have usually about 8 foot is your camper just with the slide in from one solid wall to the other. Now, if you look here, the slide is about another 3 feet. Some might be 4. So right there, you know, you get a good about 12 to 11 feet when it's all the way open, all the way wide. So what I'm saying is from this wall to this wall, your camper is usually about 8 feet, guys. So hopefully, Max Your Journey, I helped you guys out. You hit that subscribe button, and you'll check out more of our videos, but also Instagram, guys, at Max Your Journey. That's us. We'll see you there.